Hello lovelies, you're so welcome to Cassia Naturals and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make a hairspray for 100%, which works 100% for bald patches, alopecia, gray hair, and to boost hair growth. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that every time we upload, you'll be notified. So you need some aloe vera. So if you don't have aloe vera, you can actually purchase in a store. Make sure that you go for 100% aloe vera without any additives, or you can ask your neighbors. Be good to your neighbors, they'll be able to give you aloe vera. So aloe vera plant has been used for thousands of years, as early as 1750 BC. There are more than 400 species of aloe vera. It is a succulent plant that grows in hot and dry climates around the world. It is beneficial for many skin problems, hair, acne, and burns. Aloe is also consumed as food in drinks and have benefits for inflammatory bowel, disease, diabetes, hepatitis, and many more. But of course, it also works for hair. So it benefits hair. It will strengthen hair. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acids, and it's rich in vitamins A, B12, C, and this play part in healthy hair follicles and to control greasy hair. Aloe vera will also help itchy scalp, seborrheic dermatitis, which is a common inflammatory skin condition that affects the scalp. It causes dandruff, red skin, and scaly patches. So research has significantly shown that it decreases the scaliness and itchiness, and it will also protect your hair from UV damage. Radiation that comes from the sun, UV exposure, can cause your hair to lose shine and color and make your hair rough and less elasticity, leading to breakage. Aloe can also help your edges or alopecia because the Jaws enzymes can get rid the scalp of dead cells and promote the regeneration of skin tissues around the hair follicles. So another important herb that we're going to use is clove. So clove will actually, stimulate growth, promote hair growth, bald patches, and it will also darken your hair naturally. So if you have grays, this is one way of darkening your hair naturally without any toxins. So subscribe to our channel, friends. Give this video a like and comment in the section below. When you subscribe, comment, and like the video, it helps us a lot. I'm telling you, it means a lot, friends. So I always mention that you can purchase clove in Indian shops or herb shops around your area or in supermarkets. You'll be able to find it. So clove has been an important part of Ayurveda and traditional medicine to cure various problems. Benefits of clove contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add growth and strengthen your hair. So it will also protect the scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Clove also contains anti-inflammatory agents, which further help in hair thickening. It helps to reduce hair fall too. With the presence of vitamin K in clove, there is better circulation, which stimulates hair to grow. It treats dandruff, flakes, and relieves the itching associated with it due to its anti-inflammatory properties. And it also prevents the graying of hair due to its antioxidants, like I mentioned earlier on. So the compound found in clove helps to promote hair growth. When applied to the roots, it can help repair, strengthen, and add a healthy shine to the hair shaft. When applied regularly, clove has powerful antiseptic and antifungal properties that can get rid of itchy scalp. So I'm going to use the code infusion. So if you belong on this channel, friends, like I've shared quite a number of clove videos. I'm going to link them in the description box below. So you can infuse it for 5 to 7 days and it will be ready. So as you can see, it has infused so very well. All the nutrients have come together. So that's what we want. It's going to work wonders for bald patches. I'm telling you, like I've been using these ingredients for quite some time now. So another important product for bald patches and to alopecia and promote hair growth is coffee. So there isn't a lot of research supporting the using of coffee on hair, but according to research available, coffee more specifically is rich in caffeine, may improve the appearance and texture of hair in few ways. It also restores hair growth follicles, can occur at any age, affecting both male and female And applying coffee topically to hair and the scalp might stop hair loss and promote growth. In case of male baldness loss topically occurring when sex hormone DHT damages hair follicles, in women with too much DH can lead to baldness. So also women can experience hair loss. So hair follicles damage occurs gradually, eventually leading to baldness. But according to research, the caffeine in coffee can help stimulate hair growth and stop hair loss. So a 2007 laboratory study found that caffeine helped to block effects of DHH in male hair follicles. It stimulates hair shaft elongation, resulting in longer, wider hair roots. It also prolongs the anagen duration, which is the hair growth stage. So caffeine is a stimulant. It also increases blood circulation to hair follicles. These two can help hair growth grow faster and become stronger, and giving the appearance of fuller hair, thicker hair. So subscribe to our channel, friends. So coffee will also promote softer and stimulate hair. If your hair appears dull, brittle, and dry, adding moisturizers can revive its appearance. Coffee may improve dullness because of its content. It contains flavonoids, which are antioxidants that promote hair regeneration. So your hair can become smoother. It can revive frizziness, resulting in hair that is soft and healthier to detangle. So caffeine has diuretic effects on the body. You might think that it can actually have some drying effects when applied on your hair. But however, caffeine doesn't strip the hair of oils. It helps your hair retain moisture and create a natural sheen. So it will also naturally get rid of gray hair. So a caffeine rinse comes in handy if you are looking to dye gray hair. Coffee acts as a stain on the hair. This is a quick fix for getting rid of your gray strands. But of course, you need some patience and consistency. So that is how it looks like. Subscribe to our channel, friends, and give this video a like and comment in the section below. So this is a powerful hairspray that can help with baldness, alopecia, yes, both in male and female baldness, hair loss cure, yes, hair loss treatment. So you can use this like once per week or twice per week. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it. So I'm going to spray it regularly on my scalp. Of course, you don't have to drench your hair, but lightly moisturize, and make sure that you use a hairspray because it helps a lot, like spraying it regularly on your scalp. Yes, and make sure that you work it through. Don't forget your edges as well. If you're trying to grow out your edges, this spray will actually help with a thinning hairline, bald patches, and alopecia, like I mentioned earlier on. So once we are done applying it, I'm going to dab it in, like work it in. Yes, as you can see, like it was dropping throughout my face, but it's also good for the face because it has a moisturizing effect and antioxidants, yes, which will get rid of wrinkles. Yes, so I also love low maintenance hairstyles, friends. So I've shared quite a number of videos. I'll link them in the description box below. So now I'm going to seal the moisture with clove oil. So like we mentioned earlier on, clove will promote hair growth. It will prevent bald patches and it will prevent hair loss. So I've done quite a number of videos on how you can make clove oil. I'm going to link them in the description box below. They are very informative. So give this video a like, friends. If you are enjoying this video, give this video a like and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that every time I upload, you'll be notified. So I share videos every day on this channel. So comment in the section below. Are you going to try it? God bless you. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.